Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a home page in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need to go to the home page builder in Salesforce. So basically we need just to click on this icon, we go to setup, and from there we need to search for our app builder. So I'm just going to type app uh, builder, and basically we need just to go to the Lightning app builder. We need just to click on new, and from there we need to add a home page. So as you can see, we will be able to start creating new home pages. My home, and I'm just going to click on next. And from here you will need to choose the layout for your page. I'm just going to click on done, and basically those are the label, API name, etc. So now we can start adding our collections or any kind of objects. So as you can see, those are some objects, custom objects, and let's just click on a component here, app launcher, and basically we have it like this. Now we can go to the other components. We add some stuff here. So I'm just going to add whatever, and at the end you will need to start configuring your app launcher. You can configure any components that you want. Then you will need just to click on save, and now you will need only to activate your page. So by clicking on activate, you will choose where you want to assign your home page. So as you can see, this is where you can assign as default, or assign to some kind of app, or to assign to some kind of profile. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.